Welcome back to my channel. I was totally not going to do this video with a close-up sitting on my bed. However, I'm not feeling very well right now. As you can tell, I'm very raspy. But I wanted to dig into this Boxycharm box. This is actually my first ever Boxycharm. I wanted to get this subscription so bad, so I finally took the leap and got it. Oh, I'm losing my voice. So, it is very, well, not heavy. It's got some weight on it. So yeah, let's go ahead on in. And I did pre-cut the box here, as you can see, but I did not open it. And I was like, let me go ahead and record this video. Yeah, so I could just see what's going on. I was going to film on my DSLR so you could see my face, but the camera battery died and I forgot to charge it. So, yep, here we go again. But let's go on in the Boxycharm box. Holy crapola. I don't know where to start. So it does come with a card here. I'm not going to say what's on it just yet because I want to be totally surprised of what's in the box. So we'll just set that aside. Here is 20% off of your purchase of coverfx.com if you guys want to use this code FXCHARM. And let me turn it on this side. There you go. Give me all a glare. I'm recording my iPhone. Oh my goodness. I am so... What? What's going on in here, you guys? This is a 3-piece brush trio from Crown. And it has pink ombre. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. But I want to keep digging first. This is a... Holy moly. It is by Pure Cosmetics. And plumping licks. Plumping lip exfoliator. Sorry for the glare. Oh my god. You guys, this stuff is full size. Like legit full size stuff. This is from Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Oh my god. I'm going to open it in a second. Like legit full size. I've never had a box that gave like all full size stuff. This is by Vintage. Let's see. Jessica Lebenskind. Let me not even butcher the name. Smoky Eye Pencil and Jet Black. Oh my goodness. And what is this? Y'all, this is a palette by Naked Cosmetics. And it's got this lovely, like, holographic. Oh my god, my voice is just so bad right now. This is not broken because I'm so excited to see it. Holy shite! It is definitely a highlighting palette for your ASS. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that in a moment. I'm like excited here. Oh my gosh, holographic highlight collection. So let me go back to these brushes so I can show you guys up close and personal what my daughter did. So we shall get them out. This is so look at that.
That's a blush.
And it has a little indentation here. You guys can see it for your finger to go in. And I would say this is a definite blush brush or all over face brush, but look at that. And my goodness. And here it is up close. I'm glad I did this video this way so you guys can actually see up close on this. Super sassy. And I always do believe in keeping the wrappers for the brushes to keep anything off of them. Next one is, let me show you. It is like a shader type brush. I'm loving it. And then this one could be maybe contour. It's nice. It's not too dense and it's not too like, I don't know. It's perfect. Like, I'm impressed. Now I'm going to read on the card. So Naked Cosmetics, which is the holographic palette over there, retails for $39.99. It says, with 6 stunning holographic shades, this highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. We're going to swatch this bad boy. We're going to use my daughter's arm. First, we'll swatch her arm, and then I'll let her swatch on my arm because we are 2 different complexions. So first, let's see, does it have the name? So it doesn't give the name of each one. That's cool. I'm gonna press so far. Holy shit, Batman. Let's start up here. Oh my goodness. Look at that pretty color. Oh my god. That is pigmented. Alright, with a clean finger, we're going to the, like, oh my god, that is so pretty. Look at that. And then we'll use another clean finger for, like, the brownish one.
This one might not show up.
No, it's going to show up.
That's like a blue.
That's wild because it looks kind of brown, but then it shows up.
Maybe you're.
Oh my god, so pretty.
Look how shiny it is.
Oh my gosh. You guys, Boxycharm is the bomb. I think, I don't even want to lie how much it is a month. I know it was, I'm tongue twisted. It was like a mint green.
Ooh.
I know it was a little on the expensive side, I think.
Ooh, that's pretty.
But it's freaking totally worth it because everything is full size. Oh my gosh.
It's so
And then let me wipe my hand off here. We're going to go with like the baby blue one here.
That's so cute.
Oh my goodness.
These two are like the same.
Sorta.
And these two greens are like the same too.
And then the last one is like this
That one's like gold.
yellowish gold color. Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Oh my god! I'm so freaking thrilled right now. So that is on her skin complexion. I'm gonna let her swatch on mine. So make sure, first of all, make sure your hands are clean.
They are.
You use one color, one finger for each color. You don't double dip.
Okay, so.
So not hard.
Alright, so let's start up here.
Okay. Make sure you don't dig deep. Just, okay. So that is the first one.
Yeah, it's this one.
Okay, and then the next one.
Alright,
New finger. Okay.
It's this purple.
Uh-huh. Okay. New finger.
Now it's this brownish one.
That's weird because it looks brown, but it goes on.
Blue. Let's do that one more time because you can't really see that one. There we go. So we got pink, a little purplish one, and blue.
Okay.
And then
New finger.
Mint green. I'm gonna use my pinky for this one.
Okay. New finger. Middle.
Oh.
New finger in middle.
Blue color. I swear these two are the same because they're the same kind of blue. Baby blue.
And then the new finger.
This is a new finger. It's gold.
And that one. Okay, so you can see the difference between it on her arm.
And a mommy's arm.
Gorgeous colors.
Mm-hmm.
And then me.
It's different on her arm than my arm because my arm, they like actually show hers is like.
Yeah. Overall, we can actually see how beautiful these colors are. I just can't even
imagine.
I'm just freaking out right now. Even though they don't show up very well on my arm, I'm sure they'll show up over like foundation and stuff. I'm really impressed by this because this is the true beautiful colors that these are. I'm just beyond impressed. So that is that again.
We have a
And it
couple
does have a
stickers.
magnetic little case.
Yep. So
All right, so I'll hold that back.
Yeah.
And then again, we all know what a black eyeliner is.
Yep.
So there it is. So let me read the card.
I know what a black eyeliner is.
It is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. MSRP is $28. The multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. Oh, and I straight thought that this was like a lipstick.
It's a
Shimmer Veil. No, it says it can actually go crease proof for the boldest eye looks. Oh. So this is a beautiful color.
What color is that?
Shimmer Veil in the color Amethyst.
Ooh.
So yeah.
Amethyst is like a brown color. You can swatch it.
And it is a doe foot. Let's see.
Is that a lipstick?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's so cute. It's a purple pink.
So basically you could put this
Ooh.
in my card. I've never crease proven over the boldest eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish.
Smells like a lip gloss.
Effect. It says a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. So you could use this as, of course, eyeshadow, and you could probably use this as a highlighter. Boom, baby. Even though it'd be a dark highlighter, you could just use it just lightly as a highlighter.
If you have that little plush thing.
Yeah, I mean, don't go too heavy because you'll be glowing from Mars, but...
You could just pat it in.
Yeah, you could definitely use that as a... Let's see that again. Do like this with your arm.
It's so shiny and pretty.
Oh my gosh, I've never owned anything from FX before.
This was like a purplish brownish because you can see it's brown and purple.
And then back to the vintage smoky eye pencil. MSRP is $21.
21. Ooh.
And then over here for the Pure, the Complexion Authority Times or X Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. I live for lip exfoliating products. The MSRP is $17. With an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and smooths. Using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. Woo!
So what's this?
And again, you guys, this stuff is like literally full size. So this is like a $17 product. I mean, everything is full size here. There's nothing here that's small. Nothing here is a sample. Nothing here is a deluxe size sample. This is like full size stuff here, legit. And it smells like a lovely shea. I'll put it against her. And it is just so nice. It's clear. And I love to exfoliate the lips, especially before you put on your lipstick. It makes things look so much better. And then let's go into the Crown the Crown Pro Trio brush set, and it retails for $29.99. Use this 3-piece Pro brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. I'm super raspy right now. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. So yeah.
Yay.
So these are full-size brushes too. These aren't like sample brushes. These are legit full-size brushes. So this is my first Boxycharm box, and I'm 150% satisfied with this box. I live for like boxes like this. I don't even know what to say. I'm like at a loss for words right now. I'm just beyond a loss for words right now.
20% off.
I don't even remember what the price was for this box, but you can go to Boxycharm .com, or go follow them on social media. And holy moly, I was so looking forward to the next box. Oh my gosh. There it is, Boxycharm.com. So amazing. Awesome. Yay. 5 thumbs up. If I had 5 thumbs, I'd give you 5 thumbs up. So you guys, don't forget, in the description box, there is a link for my $100 giveaway. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, as well as enter to win my giveaway. And I do have a second channel, which is my vlog channel that I'm starting to get going slowly but surely. And it is just Kymika Vlogs. It will be in the description box down below as well. So head on over and hit the subscribe button over there as well. So you guys, that is the end of this video. And I will see you guys later. Bye.